Is the most complimented sneaker I've ever worn.
Is Aventus like still the best-selling one? Yeah, he's big.
Yo, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. So, we're about to wrap up our series dito sa San Francisco, sa San Jose. I think I will just have 2 more vlogs before we end everything. So, this is the vlog where I'll talk about my GRAIL pickup. So, I ended up buying like my GRAIL dunks here in San Jose. And then probably the last episode, I'm not sure if I can still shoot it here or in the Philippines na. But we will do like the total sneaker haul of this entire trip, because I wasn't actually able to vlog every single thing that we picked up. Now, in today's episode, I bought a pair of dunks a couple of days ago. So there's this reseller shop over at the mall across the South Westfield. It's called Fresh Society. And the moment I entered, meron silang cabinet doon that had like mostly size 13s. So, alam mo na talaga, naku, may bibilin ako dito kasi karamihan size ko. So, I gravitated towards the cabinet. The sales guy was super chill, super cool, walked me through the different pairs that was there, told me about the shoes. And then I had my eye on one pair of dunks. And yung first time ko bumusita, I didn't pull the trigger kasi I was thinking, should I buy this or should I pass? Kasi I've always wanted this particular pair in my size. I actually unboxed it on the channel before na hindi ko siya ka-size. Pero ngayon, ito na size ko. So, umalis muna ako. Pinag-isipan ko muna. A couple of days later, bumalik ako. Nandun pa rin siya. Tapos, chinek ko on StockX. They were actually selling it for less than what StockX was selling it in my size. So, I ended up buying it. So, ito na. Pinost ko to sa Instagram. At least the box. So, this is the dunks. The GRAIL dunks that I've always wanted to buy. This is actually the Ben & Jerry's Chunky Dunkies. So, diba? Yan na yun, oh. Ba-bam! Take a look at that insane shoe. So, kitang-kita nyo naman, this is the same sneaker that a lot of you are probably familiar with, since most of you are watching this are into sneakers. You have a lot of the elements that you would see in Ben & Jerry's, pints. And then you have, of course, all of those different... ganda talaga. Ang ganda ng texture. Say, you have leather, you have some sort of, I don't know, fur. And then you have, wow, I mean, it's just dripping with awesomeness. And I really wanted to have one in the collection, but unfortunately nga, when I was trying to get one in the Philippines, wala akong mahanapin my size at a decent price. So now we are finally able to get one at a price lower than StockX. So, diba? Bring you guys along with me for our second to the last day here in San Jose. We're going to do some last minute runs in the mall and in the grocery. So, sama lang kayo, kain tayo. Tara.
So, we're here for our last breakfast sa Chica.
Last talaga.
Last for now. Wala lang. Tapos favorite table din namin tong corner na to.
Okay guys, ito yung in-order ko. Chicken waffle. Literally para siyang chicken burger na may waffle. So, yan yung one piece. Ito isa pa. Ano ba yung nasa taas niyan? Parang, hindi ko alam eh.
Fruits, raisins.
Oo nga eh. Tapos dito yung syrup of death.
The massive syrup.
Kaya yun. Si Mrs. ano in-order mo?
Eggs Benedict.
Okay, so baka natin. Diyan kami pala kakain mamaya, papakita ko sa vlog. LB steak. Tomahawk kakainin natin dyan. Pero for now, tirahin na natin to. Oh babe, explain mo nga kung ano yan.
Eggs Benedict.
Wait, ano yung orange sauce?
Parang salsa sauce. Tapos potatoes and
Bread.
bread. I don't know. It's supposed to have meat.
Nasaan yung meat? What car is this? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Panahal, McLaren, no? Right, but this one's like the best. Saan yung para saan yung pila na yan? Yan ay napakahabang pila na yan. Hindi yan para sa shoe release. Hindi yan para sa Swatch Omega. Pila yan para sa Raminado. What? Uso-uso dito ah. Is Aventus like still the best-selling one? Yeah, I figured it.
Aventus is amazing.
It's like a science experiment,
Yes.
right?
Exactly. When it's so full, it's a little bit challenging to use funnel because it's a lot.
Yeah,
of
this is much
fragrance.
easier.
Yes, more precise. You will not gonna spill.
You see that? How beautiful it is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what sold me on it. Ha!
No, it's cool.
It's Italian leather. It's so pretty. So,
It's my favorite perfume, but
Yeah.
I keep buying the bottle, but it just made sense to buy the bigger
Oh,
one.
especially if
Yeah.
you like
And
it.
it's the only one I keep
Yeah.
using anyway, so
Yeah.
might as well.
No.
So we're back here in the studio. We just galing lang kami sa labas. We had brunch, we had lunch, we did a bit of last minute shopping. Nakita nyo naman yung nabili kong pabango, which is my favorite Creed Aventus. Mas matipid siya kasi yung presyo nung getting like the big 500 ml bottle, which I did, turns out to be cheaper per bottle. So if you love the perfume, kung kinyari, there's like a signature scent that you guys really like, magandang idea yung invest in like a big bottle and just like an atomizer because it actually is more economical. Nakatipid kayo in the long run. Now, having said that, medyo nasuot ko pa even more si Chunky Dunkies. Just two things. Number one, the good thing is, talagang nakapansin-pansin siya. You can see if people are sneakerheads, they tend to look down and take a look at the shoe kasi it just grabs the attention. Also, is the most complimented sneaker I've ever worn, specifically from people who work in sneaker shops. Kasi may pinuntahan kami mga sneaker shops doon. Siguro out of the 5, all 5, yung staff doon would give a shout out or compliment the shoe. So, meron siyang ganong klaseng effect. Secondly though, mabilis siya mag-crease. So, ako okay lang kasi I really, binubugbog ko talaga lahat ng sapatos ko. But if you guys are super worried about creasing, lalo na dun sa may 4-foot section, it happens. It's natural. Kung isusot mo sapatos mo, wala ka talaga magagawa. Mangyayari at mangyayari siya. So, at this point in the episode, labas kami ulit. We have some dinner plans lang. And then, balik siguro kami dito and tingnan pa natin what else we do. So, tara, keep on watching guys. Oh, by the way, quick reminder, we have a giveaway. If you haven't watched it yet, I'll link it down below. May surprise giveaway kami. Kailangan nyo lang mag-comment sa episode na yun. So, make sure to check that out as well. Lobster bisque, tapos kay Mrs. Caesar salad.
Na may anchovy.
May isang anchovy. Dalawa sila.
Hello.
That is big.
God, babe.
Got a truffle fry, some broccoli.
Taste test. Oh guys, nasa Gucci kami. Babe, pakita mo naman yung binili mo. Pakita natin.
Pareho, Joe.
Wow, pareho. Wow. Yan. So, ba't mo nagustuhan yan?
I really like the color. Tapos, it's really soft inside. So,
Yun, kakaiba siya. Wala kami nakitang ganito. Rosé daw yung color, sabi ni Kuya. Ni Kuya Travis.
Kuya Travis.
Yun.
I think.
Yung nag-test sa ilong namin, masyado excited eh. Parang yung kay Harry Potter. Expecto Patron! Ganun siya mag-test. Parang utak ko tuloy umabot. Di ba? Ano yung suot mo sapatos?
Golden goose.
Wow! May Swarovski crystal, guys!